Welcome to a new video. This 30 simplified information technology definitions will benefit you. Computer science. The study of computers and computing technologies. Information technology, IT. The use of technology to manage and process information. Software. Programs and applications that run on computers. Hardware. Physical components and devices used in computing. Operating system. Software that manages computer hardware and resources. Programming language. A formal language used to write computer programs. Algorithm. A step-by-step procedure or set of rules for solving a problem. Data structure. A way of organizing and storing data in a computer. Database. A structured collection of data stored electronically. Cybersecurity. The practice of protecting computer systems and data from theft or damage. Network. A collection of interconnected computers and devices. Cloud computing. The delivery of computing services over the Internet. Artificial intelligence, AI. The simulation of human intelligence in machines. Machine learning. A subset of AI that enables computers to learn from data. Data science. The study of data, including data analysis and interpretation. Internet of Things, IoT. A network of interconnected physical devices with Internet connectivity. Virtual reality, VR. A simulated computer-generated environment. Augmented reality, AR. A real-world environment enhanced by computer-generated information. User interface, UI. The point of interaction between a user and a computer system. User experience, UX. The overall experience a user has with a system or product. Big data. Extremely large and complex datasets that require specialized tools for analysis. Cryptography. The science of secure communication techniques. Internet Protocol, IP. A set of rules governing the format of data sent over the Internet. Cloud storage. Online data storage services accessible over the Internet. Software development. The process of designing, coding, and testing software applications. Version control. The management of changes to source code and project files. Debugging. The process of identifying and fixing errors in software code. DevOps. A set of practices that combine software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. API, Application Programming Interface. A set of rules and protocols for building and interacting with software applications. Data encryption. The process of converting data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Thank you for following. We will meet in another video.